Welcome to NextGen Analytics. Be ready to transform your raw data into meaningful insights. Yes, you are in the right place. My name is Aditya Singh and I will guide you through data analytics essentials and advanced technology including Excel, Power BI, SQL, MySQL, Python, its libraries. A most important thing, the hands-on experience with real-world projects. Either you are a beginner or experienced. If you are beginner, I definitely tell you you're gonna learn so many things on this channel. And if you are experienced, I know it is very big and wild. So nobody gonna say that I did not stuck anywhere. So I think if you gonna stuck in somewhere, my videos definitely gonna help you. So I am going to tell you, subscribe my channel and hit that bell button. Thank you.